Hello everyone, I'm Jamie from GTT company. Today I'm excited to introduce our latest innovation, the CTS wireless smart keypad switch. Designed for smart hotels, the CTS leverages the Zigbee wireless communication protocol for seamless connectivity. As a touch-sensitive keypad switch, it supports local button control, app integration, and voice commands. With the hotel management SaaS platform, hotel staff can monitor and manage devices in real time. This intelligent system not only elevates operational efficiency but also delivers a premium, personalized experience for guests. The CTS features an edge-coated skin-friendly tempered glass panel, scratch-resistant, fingerprint-proof, and silky smooth to the touch. The buttons offer ultra-responsive tactile feedback. Beneath the sleek surface, the backplate is crafted from fire-retardant PC material, heat-resistant and durable, reinforced with a sturdy metal bracket for long-lasting stability. Control your devices remotely via the Tuya Smart app. Customize button function and icons to match your preference, or trigger preset scenes with a single tap. Compatible with major voice platforms like Baidu's Xiaodu Assistant and Tencent's Xiaowei, simply speak to control lights, curtains, or climate systems. For over a decade, GTD has specialized in smart hotel solutions, continuously innovating and refining products to meet evolving client needs. From OEM customization to high-performance enhancements. Want to upgrade your hotel's intelligence? Connect with us on Alibaba or visit our Shenzhen showroom. Let's build smarter space together. Discover the future of hospitality with GTD, CTS Smart Switch, where innovation meets elegance. Thank you.